Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through what to do if you think you're shadow banned on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, what I wanted to do is I brought up the shadow ban hashtag here. You can see some of these videos. This person has shadow banned hashtag on this video. It has 3 million views. Same, this one has it as well, 2.8 million views. This one has it 2.6 million views. So the reason why I wanted to show you this is it's extremely hard to know if you're exactly shadow banned, because obviously these people might think that they're shadow banned, but they have 3 million views on some of their videos. So I would say that they're absolutely not shadow banned. However, shadow banned is a thing in that the algorithm maybe doesn't like your content, or maybe you were producing a certain level of content and then all of a sudden the algorithm might have thought that you violated the community guidelines and then kind of shadow banned you and prevented you from gaining kind of as many followers or viewers on your videos after that. Here are a few things that you can do to get rid of that shadow ban. So you'll notice that I just have this one video here, but if you have a bunch of videos, what you want to do is go through every single video. If there's absolutely any video that you think might violate the community guidelines, I recommend reading the community guidelines and then just really look at it from that perspective. If there's any videos that seem a little sketchy, I would go in them and delete those videos out. I would also go into all your videos and tap in the comments and then just go through here and make sure you'll always have some random, person commenting something, but just make sure that all the comments are not inappropriate. Just kind of scrub through the comments and make sure those are squeaky clean. The next thing you'll want to do is, if you're on your profile, go to the 3 dots at the top right here. And then the second option, you go to privacy. You just want to make sure that private account is turned off. And as you go down under safety, all of these are turned on or to everyone. So you want to basically open up your privacy as much as possible so that if somebody wants to watch your content, they're able to watch that content and there isn't a privacy setting that's preventing them from commenting, liking, sharing, duet, stitch, all that stuff. So that's the next step. If that still doesn't fix it, you can get back out of here and we'll scroll all the way down to under support, report a problem. And there's no option to report being shadow banned. So if you just tap the little pencil and paper icon at the top right here, all you have to do, this is kind of where you can report any generic problems. This is where you want to be super specific. All my videos had a certain number of views, and then I posted something, maybe it was in violation of the community guidelines, maybe it wasn't, and then just say, hey, I deleted that, I'm sorry, I won't do that again, I think my account is shadow banned, and they might get back to you. There's no guarantees that they'll get back to you, but it's worth a shot if this is your last kind of option in terms of removing that shadow ban. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.